Ron Atchison from McKee's 37, and today we're going to be taking a look at our Ceramic Series SiO2 Enhanced Tire Coating Kit. Inside the kit, you're going to find everything that you need to use to install the coating. You're going to get a couple of microfiber towels, our tire scrub brush, two of our dual action tire and trim applicators. You're going to get a 22-ounce bottle of our tire and rubber rejuvenator. This is probably one of the most important products outside of the coating in the kit. And you're also going to receive an 8-ounce bottle of our Ceramic Series ceramic tire coating. This little 8-ounce bottle is enough to easily do 4 or 5 cars. So we're going to get on to the application of the tire coating, and we're going to start off with our tire and rubber rejuvenator. This product was formulated to work in conjunction with the tire coating. It's imperative that this product be used. It won't leave any kind of residues that are going to affect the coating in its appearance or the bonding with the tire. One of the most important things about this product is that you start off with a dry tire. That's going to help with the cleaning immensely. So you simply spray it on, saturate the tire really well, give it a chance to dwell, and you'll see it immediately starts breaking down all the grime and leftover tire dressings and whatever else may be on the tire. Now, if you have brand new tires, say on a brand new car, or you just purchased 4 new tires, the tire is going to have a mold release agent on it. That mold release agent is actually in the pores of the rubber, and it can be very hard to get off. So it's suggested that if you got new tires or a brand new car, put a few hundred miles on them, wash them a few times, preferably with our tire and rubber rejuvenator, and give that mold release agent a chance to work itself out of the tire, get scrubbed off, and then go ahead with your coating application. All right, so we've put the tire and rubber rejuvenator on there. We're going to take our tire brush, dip it in some water, and we're simply going to start scrubbing. As you can see, it's pulling a lot of dirt and grime off the tire. The suds are brown, so just keep dipping your brush, keep scrubbing. Really work the product into the tire. Give it a chance to work and clean. The water in the bucket's getting really dirty, and you can actually see the silicones and whatever from old tire dressings actually floating on top of the water. Bring you to show it to you. As you can see, after just one scrubbing, that's quite a bit of nastiness taken off the tire. So we're going to go ahead and rinse it off. You see all the brown tire glue running down the driveway. And we'll go ahead and apply another coat of the tire and rubber rejuvenator. Now this is a 22-ounce bottle. And to do all 4 tires on this car correctly, you're going to use all of this bottle or very close to all of it. So if you get done and you've got a lot of this left over, you didn't clean the tires as well as they should have been. As you can see, the soap bubbles are now a lot cleaner than they were with the first go around. And what we're trying to achieve here is cleaning the tires to the point that there's no more dirt coming off and the suds on the tire is pretty much white. I don't know if you noticed or not, but I've got this car parked up on top of a 2x4. Just a scrap piece of wood, and what that does, it lifts the tire up, which allows me to get all the way to the bottom of the tire here, so I can get it nice and clean, be able to coat it all the way around without having to move the car at all. Okay, there's round 2. It's looking pretty good. I think one more application of the tire and rubber rejuvenator should do the trick. Like I mentioned earlier, don't be stingy with this product. This product is the key to the final outcome and the durability of the tire coating. Most times when people have a product with or a problem with the durability of the product, it's simply because they skimped on this test, or excuse me, this step of the process. Okay, so that looks nice and clean. No more browns coming off, no more gunk. So we're going to rinse it thoroughly. And that's it for the cleaning part of the application. So we're going to go ahead and dry our wheel down real good, dry the tire off. Once the tire is 100% dry, then we'll go ahead with the coating application. So stay tuned, I'll be right back. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start applying the tire coating. First thing you want to do, obviously, is shake it up real good. Now this product is thin, so when you go to put it on your applicator, be careful that you don't spill a bunch of it and end up wasting it. So put it around on your applicator, a generous amount. And what I like to do is take my finger and kind of work it into the applicator. Otherwise, with it just sitting on top, since the applicator is not seasoned at all, it'll have tendency to run off and end up on your driveway instead of your tire. So now that we've got a generous amount on the applicator, simply rub it on. As you can see, it's a very thin product. It's going to have a blue tint to it initially, but don't worry about it because that'll dry clear. Don't be in a big hurry to put it on. Take your time and make sure that you get the tire, and especially here where it's got all these little bitty ridges, make sure you get down in all of them. Actually work it in going the direction of the ridge. Same with the different heights of tread on there. Make sure you get it rubbed into those real nice. As you can see, a little bit of the product also goes a long way. That's why you're easily able to get 5 or 6 cars out of that 8-ounce bottle. Just continue to work your way around the tire so you've got the whole thing coated. This is where that 2x4 really helps out. Keeps the applicator off the ground. Allows you to get to all the edges easily. And because this product is thin and kind of runny, sometimes you can end up with a little bit on your wheel, like in here. So that's where the towels come in handy that's supplied with your kit. Before it has a chance to dry, simply go around with your towel, wipe it off. It's not going to hurt anything, so you don't have to get it 100% off of there. You just basically want to wipe off all the excess. You obviously don't want to leave drips and runs. So at this point, we've got the first application on there. This is going to dry to basically what I would describe as a clean, new tire look. The gloss is going to be very low. So if you want a glossier tire, we're going to let this sit for about an hour, give it a chance to cure, dry good. Since it does have SiO2 content, there is a curing time to it. So like I said, it's about an hour. So we'll come back to it in an hour and see if it's at the gloss level that we're looking for. If we want it a little bit glossier, all we've got to do is simply just add another coat. There's no more scrubbing or any of that type of thing. The really nice thing about a tire coating is instead of a tire dressing that sits on top of the tire first time you drive through the rain or next time you wash the car, it's pretty much gone and you're back to putting it back on, and then after a little bit you've got a buildup of that on there, and then you're back to scrubbing the tires again with like tire and rubber rejuvenator to strip all of that off. Well, with a coating you don't have any of that. So in a couple of months, if it starts fading on you, simply take some tire and rubber rejuvenator, clean the tire up. You know, you don't have to go through all the intense scrubbing or all that anymore. Just get the tire nice and clean and simply put another coat on, and you're good for another 6 months. So tire coatings save you a lot of time, trouble, effort, you know. So if you're a kind of person that's pressed for time, a tire coating's for you. This is Ron Atchison from McKee's 37. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.